This episode is sponsored by Honeybadger. Are you looking to enhance clarity in production without a PhD in observability? Try Honeybadger Insights. Honeybadger Insights is built around structured events and Honeybadger's new query language BadgerQL, which allows you to analyze data, create metrics, and design custom dashboards. All of this is available for free with Honeybadger's monitoring suite, which includes error tracking, uptime monitoring, and more. Explore your data in new ways with BadgerQL. It's pretty cool and simple. So give it a try today at honeybadger.io. That's honeybadger.io. In this episode, we're going to be implementing a text-to-speech where we can click a button.
I love Ruby on Rails.
And you see that it was able to speak it out. And this will work with interrupts.
I love Ruby.
Where we can then stop it from speaking whenever we want. And it's going to work across different kind of page refreshes.
Hello world.
And so to do this, we're just going to have a stimulus controller. And we're not going to be reaching for any third-party library that isn't already included in what our browsers give us today. And as a forewarning, this kind of functionality you'll need to test out on many different browsers, operating systems, as well as mobile devices if that is your target audience, because each device is going to work a little bit differently. However, I think that we have some mechanisms in place that we're going to be able to cover most of the bases. To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftinruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.